we take a balloon, we blow it up. I'm going to twist it so that this is twisted off. Then I'm going to hold the balloon and open up the mouth and wrap it around the bottle, just like this. Then we will, after we choose our balloon, I've already aired up and put balloons on for you. After we get our balloon, you'll take it outside, hold on to this part where it's connected to the water bottle, and you'll shake it into the balloon. Once all the flour is in the balloon, we'll very carefully take the balloon off. Don't squeeze the bottle too hard because we're going to reuse these bottles. Also, don't throw away your bottle when you're done because we're going to reuse these bottles. Okay, once I have it here, I'm going to roll the top off, and then I'm going to slowly let all of the air out. We're doing this outside because you can see some flour gets everywhere. Once all of the air is out, you can bring it to me and I will tie this for you. Now we have a little stress ball. After I have my balloon tied, I'm going to wash it off in the sink, getting all the flour off the outside of it. Then I will get a paper towel and dry it off. Now that I have my balloon washed and dried off, I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to draw a face on this, or any design that you want. You can make one with a mustache, or you could make one with a silly face. It's up to you what you decide. The faces look funny because whenever we squeeze it, it's going to warp the face. After we have our face drawn on, we will choose a color of yarn. For this one, we have blue, yellow, red, and a light blonde color. I think I'm going to choose the yellow to make him kind of blonde. I will set this in between my fingers like this, then wrap it around my fingers. If you want the hair to be longer, you would just make it wider. Spread your fingers and add more to it. After I've wrapped it around several times, like this, I will cut it. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to tie it to this here. So this needs to go in between my fingers and wrap through just like this, and that way it will tie.
This one can come back this way, I believe. Just like that. Now I can tie it. Just be careful not to unravel it as I'm trying to tie it. You can see it kind of squeezes it all to the middle. Just like that. I'm going to double knot it so it doesn't come loose. It looks like this. Then I can tie it on to the knot that's on top of my balloon. Just like this, I'm going to double knot that.
Cut off any extra. Okay, I could leave it looking like this, or I can trim these here, and it makes them look a little frizzy, a little more spiky of a hair, like this. It's up to you.